Okay. iTalk English Incorporated presents this certificate of appreciation to Artria Grace V. Alimorong in appreciation of your one-year dedicated service as an ESL online tutor given the 28th of August 2010, signed Motohiro Kitajima School President. Another certificate will be given to Ms. Janice Ann A. Arceo. Offline. Next would be Ms. Cherry Pai G. Kapadngan. Next, we would Virginia L. Hurtado. Miss Connie Ann R. Ipapo. Miss Praxi R. Moncatar. We have Miss Charlene Seco. We have Miss Mito Sisibial. Last but not least, we have Miss Rachel Arlene Feyo Torres. These are the top 10 teachers who have been here in iTalk English for straight 1 year. Thank you and good luck. This award is really proud. We are very proud to announce for this. iTalk English Incorporated presents the Certificate of Appreciation to Connie Ann R. Ipapo in honor of 1 year outstanding performance and dedication with perfect in attendance. Given the 28th of August 2010, Hilton Cebu Resort and Spa, Cebu, Philippines, signed Motohiro Kitajima School President and Pilita Bituring School Administrator. Thank you, Ms. Kai. Next special award is, she's one of the teachers, one of the excellent teachers we have. So this award is so-called Special Merit Award. Special Merit Award is presented to Ms. Praxi R. Moncatar for consistently maintaining the highest standards of conduct along with the optimum dedication and sincerity. Given the 20th of August 2010, Hilton Cebu Resort and Spa, Cebu, Philippines. Signed, Moderator Kitajima, School President, and Pilita Bitoring, School Administrator. This, I Talk English Incorporated presents this Award of Excellence to Rachel Arlene C. Eusoris for demonstration of excellence as teacher, online educational services professional by creating an environment that improves students' academic opportunities, workforce preparedness, and overall quality of life. Signed, Mr. Motenori Kitajima, School President, and Pilita Bitoring, School Administrator. Thank you and congratulations.
Thank you, Ms. Al, Ms. P, and Mr. Moso.
And congratulations to all the awardees. Wow.